All right, we are ready to check our work for pages 347 to 348, starting with number 15. The answer to number 15 will vary, but when you look at the multiplication equation that you wrote, the two factors, remember factors are the numbers that we multiply together, they must be the same number. Likewise, in your division equation, the divisor and the quotient need to be the same number. Because both factors are the same, there are only two equations in this set of related facts. You could use any number that you want here or over here as long as they are the same. Don't forget, you also needed to draw an array to show these facts. So you can see my array over here. You can have, I have 6 rows of 6. I could flip this around and do 6 rows of 6. No matter how I do it, this array is going to be the same. So that is why there are only 2 equations in this set of facts. The answer to number 16 is add 1 row of 5 tiles. Please jump ahead if you had that. We could visually see this problem by modeling the array that Maria originally made. She originally made 4 rows of 5. We can see that over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 5. Now, if we wanted to show 5 times 5, it would be very easy to do so because we would simply have to add 1 row. And now when we look at this array, we see 5 times 5. So she would simply have to add 1 row of 5. Pause the video right now to read the answer to number 17. Remember, our wording is not going to be exactly the same, but you should have something along these lines. Okay, jump ahead right now if you had this answer for number 17. When you read this problem, you should have divided 36 because there are 36 sections of glitter dough in a package. 36 by Ty's 9 friends to make sure it's 5. It's actually not. That's the error that you should have caught. So 36 divided by 9. You could have absolutely drawn this out, made equal groups, skip counted, or you could have thought 9 times what is 36. No matter how you do this, 36 divided by 9 is 4. So there is Ty's arrow. Not his arrow, his error. Can't talk today. So it is not 5 equal sections. It is 4 equal sections. The answer to number 18 is 6 more sections. Fast forward now if you got that. This is a multiple step problem that you really needed to read carefully. If you read it carefully and took it step by step, it shouldn't have been that difficult. So the first thing you need to do is look at the packages of clay in the table. So there are 12 sections of clay per package. So I am jotting this down. I put a C for clay. There are 12 sections per package. Now I am going to divide those 12 sections by 4 because Mr. Lee is dividing them equally among 4 students. So we're dividing by 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So each student is going to get 3 sections of clay. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for the glitter dough. I'm looking up here at glitter dough. There are 36 sections per package of glitter dough. So again, I wrote a G for glitter dough, and I wrote down 36 because there are 36 sections. Then I'm going to divide by those 4 friends, or not 4 friends, 4 students that Mr. Lee is giving the dough to. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So each student will get 9 sections of glitter dough. Okay, we are still not done. You really had to read carefully in order to give the correct answer. It says, how many more? Remember, that means subtract. How many more glitter dough sections than clay sections does each student get? Well, 9 minus 3, we're subtracting because it says how many more. Those are keywords for subtracting. 9 minus 3 is 6 sections. The division equation that answers number 19 is 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Then you needed to write a related fact. You could have done any one of these 3 facts that I'm pointing to right now. You must have had 21 divided by 7 because there were 7 students Miss Cohen was giving her 21 markers to. So this is the equation you must have. You needed to write one of those 3. The answers to number 20 are B, C, E, and F. A and D do not represent the array, although they both show the 20 total tiles that we see in the array. I don't see 2 rows. So these 4, B, C, E, and F, are the answers. Okay, you are done checking your problems. You may look up on the board to see your next activity.